Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications. Welcome back to Srishna in Me. Today in this video I will show you how to make over your old stitched blouse in a trendy way with Lakshmi kasulu towards the neckline. For this required material is kasulu, gold beads, needle, gold colored thread and golden chain. You all might know how to do chain stitch, so I didn't focus on that. With 4 strings, give chain stitch towards the neckline. Now apply the glue next to the chain stitch. Now stick this chain towards the neckline. Let it get dry. Once it dry, give another line chain stitch with 4 strings. Now mark it every 1 inch towards the neckline. Now with the help of the glue, stick this kasulu towards the neckline. This is the easy craft which you can stitch on your existing blouse. This craft is very easy and looks more beautiful on plain blouses. If you closely observe, there will be a hole for the kasulu. Just poke with the needle and add golden bead to it. Now add another 3 beads at the bottom. In this way, stitch beads towards the neckline. Finally, with the help of the glue, stick flat surface kundans between these 2 kasus. Now neckline is completed. Finally for hands, just I gave 2 lines chain stitch, in between that I stick golden chain. Finally blouse output is like this. With the less amount you can create your own blouses in a trendy way. I hope you all will try it and let me know how it has come in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.